Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python 3. X is installed and reachable from your path. Open your project folder in VS Code. Once done, install the Python extension and the Pylons language server so you get linting and IntelliSense. Make sure to create or open a virtual environment in the terminal. Activate it so packages install locally. You now have the core tools ready and the first actionable step complete. A project, venv active, and VS Code configured to recognize Python. You will now install libraries into the active environment. Use pip install package or pip install R requirements. txd to add dependencies. Once libraries are installed, make sure VS Code points to the same interpreter. Run Python, select interpreter and choose your venv. When importing, rely on IntelliSense completions to catch typos and hover for docs. If you need reproducibility, create a requirements. txd via pip freeze. Continue by running your script in the integrated terminal to validate imports and behavior. You finish by running and debugging. Use run Python file, then switch to the debug pane to set breakpoints and inspect variables. Once you step through, adjust imports or versions as needed. Logging helps reveal runtime issues. If extensions or imports misbehave, make sure VS Code uses the same interpreter as your terminal and that the virtual environment is activated. One key troubleshooting tip: if import errors persist, reinstall the package inside the active venv and restart VS.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.